Hello and welcome to ICS Exam Squad. Today I am up with MCQs on your economics chapter Theory of Demand. So let's come to our question number 1. Normally the demand curve will have a dash slope. Option A upward sloping, option number B downward sloping, option C vertical or option number D horizontal. The genuine answer will be downward sloping. Demand curve slopes downward and has a negatively sloping demand curve. Moving on to our next question. Law of demand shows a relation between the dash. Option quantity demand and quantity supply of a commodity. Option B income and quantity demand of a commodity. Option C price and quantity of a commodity or option number D income and price of a commodity. The correct answer will be price and quantity of a commodity. Law of demand प्राइस कॉमोडिटी का प्राइस और क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड का रिलेशन बताता है. लेट्स कम टू आवर थर्ड क्वेश्चन. If the quantity demanded of a commodity is unresponsive to change in price, then the demand of that commodity is dash. Option A perfectly inelastic, option B elastic, option number C unit elastic or option number D inelastic. The correct answer will be option number A perfectly elastic. Moving on to our next question. When the price of a product falls by 10% and its demand rises by 30%, then elasticity of demand is dash. Option A 13, option number B 3, option number C 10 or option number D 30. The correct answer will be option number B 3. Let's move to our fifth question. When the elasticity of demand for a commodity is very low, it shows the product dash. Option A has little importance in the total budget. Option B, it is a luxury. Option C, it is a necessity. Or option D, none of the above. The right answer to this question will be option number C, it is a necessity. Let's move to next question. Which of the following is not a cause of the shift in the demand for a product or commodity? Option A change in the price of substitutes. Option B change in the income of a consumer. Option number C change in the price of a product or option number D none of the above. The right answer will be option number C change in the price of a product. This is not a cause for the shift in the demand for a commodity. Moving on to our next question. Which of the following scenarios will not lead to a change in demand for a product? Option A change in the tastes of its consumers. Option number B a change in the price of that product. Option number C an increase in the income of its consumers. Or option number D none of the above. The answer will be option number D none of the above. Let's move to our next question. If the income of a consumer increases or the price of a complementary goods falls, then the dash. Option A, the demand curve for the product shifts rightward. The demand curve for the product shifts leftward. Option C, the supply curve for the product shifts rightward. Or option number D, the supply curve for the product shifts leftward. The correct answer will be the demand curve for the product shifts rightward. Moving on to second last question. Contraction of demand is the result of dash. Option A, decrease in the number of consumers. Option B, increase in the price of the commodity concerned. Option number C, increase in the prices of other goods. Or option number D, decrease in the income of purchasers. The correct answer will be increase in the price of the commodity concerned. Let's come to our last question, question number 10. The elasticity for the demand of durable goods is dash. Option A 0, option number B equal to unity, option number C greater than unity, or option number D less than unity. The right answer will be option number C greater than unity. Thank you everyone. Like, share and subscribe.